Welcome to Paper Wishes Thursday vlog. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I'm going to share some cute projects and fun techniques using Avery Elle stamps and cutting dies. So all of the projects today use both of these cutting dies from Avery Elle. The Burst Elements cutting die has a frame and a bunch of circles that you would just cut apart. I just used my wire cutters to cut each of these apart, and then also the Starburst Elements cutting die, and it comes with this great circle that makes a starburst image as well as the Celebrate greeting. So the first card I have for you uses both of these cutting dies, and it's great how you can mix them. So this Celebrate card, I just used cardstock for the layer of here, here, and here, and then I used metallic gold paper from Paper Wishes and cut out the Celebrate, and as you can see here, it almost looks like it's gold embossed, but that's just the word cut from the gold paper. And then I added these really beautiful flowers from 49th and Market. I just love this. This sort of craft paper look, and mixing it with gold is just really beautiful and elegant. And also these are pearl, like gold pearl butterflies from a collection of butterfly dazzle stickers that we have, and I just backed them with cardstock and put them here. Also used the border here, and oh, I also forgot to bring in, but I used the white butterflies as well here. Okay, so the Celebrate is so easy to substitute here that I did a With Sympathy one, okay, on the Starburst. And for this I used this greeting set. This one is called Oh Happy Day greeting stamps, and just a really fun collection. But this one I just gold embossed, so you could see you could really change the entire purpose of the card with just that, you know, that quick change. So you could use this for lots of different occasions. All right, and let me also show you this card, which Debbie did, this Easter card. And she literally just finished this, and I think it's so cute. It uses the Easter stamps, these tiny little guys, but it also uses the Burst Elements cutting dies. So for this one, she used the frame, she cut it twice. She cut it once from pink and once from green, and then she cut every other one of these burst lines out all the way around so that the pink would show through. So she just you know, made this beautiful sort of sunburst, and then when she was done with that, she took one of the circles, put it in the center, and cut that out of the green, then glued it on. She's got some beautiful white border dazzles here, and then if you can see, I'm going to use my little zoom here so you can see this little element. So you can see right there this little puffy element here on that little detail on the chicks, and that is from using Cosmic Shimmer Fluffy Stuff, and I'm going to show you how to use that. It's just really fun. So I've got my little stamped image of my little chickie. I'm going to get up a little closer here again. We're just zooming it in and out today. Okay, so then what you do is you take your fluffy stuff. I like to clear the nozzle with my little bent up paper clip, and then just put a little bit right there where that little white tuft is. Okay, take my Ranger heat gun. All right, and it's just going to dry out and puff up, and we might need to speed this up if this is going to take a while because we're just watching some paint dry now. Okay, so if you can see that now, it's got this little element, a little puffed element, three-dimensional, which I think is just so sweet to use, especially with Easter projects. It'd be great for Christmas projects too. Don't want to leave those out. All right, and so for our next project, this particular one uses, this one is the Peekaboo Pet Stamp Set. Made these little critters right here, and I just colored them in with Spectrum Noir pens. And then I used the circle set from the Burst Elements cutting die. And let me show you how this works. I just went ahead and made sure that my card was cut 6 inches wide so that it would go through my Big Shot die cutting machine. And I just placed the circle 3 different times, ran it through 3 different times, and just sort of spaced them what looks sort of like haphazardly, but they're focused sort of on the right side of the card. And then colored my little animals and glued them at the back, and then making sure that on the inside of the card behind them so that it has a larger circle. Okay, so that was a really fun and easy card to make as well. And then for a little change of pace, this card has a lot of humor, I think. This one also uses the Burst Elements cutting die and one of the circles. So cut it out of this aqua dot paper and then use the circle in the center. And it features this, this one's called Hello Chum. And it's just really fun. Hello Chum, let's do lunch. Really a fun card. It's got different greetings on here. You're just great, sending smiles, happy birthday, and my favorite, we're gonna need a bigger cake. So it's a little play on the movie Jaws. And if you're not really into the shark look, we've also got this adorable unicorn stamp set that I would love, that you could very easily just replace the shark elements with the unicorn and have a really adorable card. So thanks for joining me today. Make sure and leave me some comments if there's any other things that you'd like to see, or techniques, or something I didn't explain well enough. And also check out our Money Saver. If you're watching us on YouTube, don't forget to check out paperwishes.com for more inspiration and great deals.